Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we'll be previewing Kotoko's game against King Faisal, outstanding game actually, against King Faisal, and it's going to be an intense game since the first leg ended in a 3-0 win for Asante Kotoko. So King Faisal will want revenge in this particular game, but I'm sure that Kotoko will be expecting that and they won't allow King Faisal to have a say in this particular game. So this video I'm going to talk about how Kotoko should line up. I'm going to give you my prediction, my scoreline prediction. I'm going to tell you what to expect in this game. That's all my opinion. So if you are here for that, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. So let's get into it. Now, first of all, I want Kotoko to maintain the same lineup they kept in the last game. I think is something that is a beginning of a very beautiful thing. You can see De Souza and Mukwala passing that up front, and I think it should continue. The only thing I would change, if there should be a change, the only thing I would change is Mfege coming in for Azikopong, but most people say Azikopong needs time to start performing at a high level again because of his injury, and I think they are probably right. And Mfege was very effective from the bench, so I think Mfege should be a plan B or should come in when everything is set or when everything is settled, or to come and add to the injury for the opposition. So I'm hoping that they maintain the starting lineup, but if they want to change, it will be in figure for Isaac Opong. Then I'm expecting De Souza to continue his wonderful partnership. Defensive should be the same. Midfield, Eric Zeze was very good against RTU. It was unfortunate that he couldn't get a goal. I'm expecting him to continue the midfield with Richard Boedu, who should have scored a goal from that long range, but he just hit it without hesitating. I think if he had calmed down and hit the shot with intention, he would have actually scored from that long range. I think he should also start in the midfield against King Faisal today. That's for defense. Obviously, I think Frederick Asari should maintain his spot in the goalkeeping department. I know Danlad Ibrahim is in the squad. I'm going to call the squad at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the end of the video to know the squad for the game. So that's it. The defense, attack, midfield, everything should be maintained. Abdul Ghazel should motivate the boys and also tell them that if they score 1 or 2 goals, they shouldn't calm down. They should continue pushing ahead to get more goals, because we need that clean sheet. We should maintain the clean sheet. We should get a culture of keeping clean sheets away from home, at the Bavaria Stadium, anywhere Kotoko play. We should have the tradition of keeping clean sheet because it helps in winning titles for you. Good defense wins titles, while a good attack wins games for you. So that's what I'm expecting Kotoko to play very well with intention against King Faisal. So let's go to the squad that Abdul Ghazel has actually picked for this game. Frederick Asari and Danlad Ibrahim as the goalkeeper department. Then we have defenders. We have Mohamed Al Hassan, Maxwell Ajiman, Augustine Japon, Kwaju Apeu, Nicolas Osei-Bonso, who was brilliant in the last game. Then you have Mubarak Yusuf, who is back from injury and could come in the second half. That's if he doesn't start in this particular game. Then midfielders, we have Serge Eric Zeze, Richmond Lamte, Sharif Mohammed, Richard Boedu, Shedrack Ado, and Rocky Dramena. Those are the midfielders, and that's in the squad for the game against King Faisal this evening. Then attackers, we have Matheus De Souza, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Opong, Mfwege Georges, and Stephen Mukwala. That's a very, very good attacking lineup. I'm expecting Enoch Morrison to come in the second half of the game when the coach noticed some tired legs up there on the pitch. So I'm expecting it to be a very spectacular game against King Faisal. I'm expecting Kotoko to beat them. I'm not expecting a draw. I'm not expecting a defeat. I'm expecting Kotoko to beat King Faisal very, very well. So it's going to be an interesting game. 7 p.m. I'm surprised they put the game at 7 p.m. It's supposed to be 6 p.m. 7 p.m. Ghanaian time at the Bavaria Stadium. So if you are in Kumasi, please come out and support the boys. Then as for my prediction, my scoreline prediction, I'm going to predict a 3-0 win for Kotoko again. A 3-0 win for Kotoko again. I'm thinking De Souza and Mukwala will also be on the scoreline in this particular game. So that is my prediction. 3-0 win again for Asante Kotoko. Formation should be the same. Lineup should be the same. Kotoko go out with intention and beat King Faisal very, very well in this particular game. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about what I've just said? My lineup, style of play, and how Kotoko should go into this game. I would like to know your own thoughts in the comment section. So comment below and tell me what you think about the upcoming game, 7 p.m. Ghanaian time today. And that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.